And a warm and humid day to be out there on the streets. How did we do today?
Extremely toasty, no records today, but rolling in anywhere from around 5 to 10 degrees above average. But it's not even the peak of the heat wave that we're dealing with right now. Can you imagine temperatures? Yeah, they're going to go even hotter. Out toward La Mesa today, though, they actually climbed up to around 88 degrees, exactly what I had forecasted for inland locations. We are forecasting to stay above average until the weekend, and that is when we'll see temperatures really begin to soar. We did see a few of these showers, most of them out over toward the desert communities. Ocotillo Wells picked up around 1/1500ths of an inch of precipitation. All of that has now headed further out to the east. So we are beginning to see a drying trend. We'll notice the humidity falling slightly for inland locations. The coastline still going to be dealing with the sticky air mass, and as a result, we could be dealing with some morning fog right around 7 a.m., but lasting maybe only 2 hours. Right now, a few clouds dotting the sky for you in Chula Vista around 77 degrees. Coronado 72. A warm night for you as well out over toward El Cajon at around 75 degrees. Normally, we see these numbers into the 60s, but just considering the fact of how moist the atmosphere is, it's really hard to dry out and allow those temperatures to cool down. So off to a warm night and another warm day for tomorrow. Currently, we're noticing our dew point on into the upper 60s, and that is why our humidity is fairly high. But we will see our dew point fall into the mid 60s by tomorrow afternoon, and then the low 60s as we head on in through Thursday. So it's going to feel a little bit better, although as a result, temperatures are going to be allowed to warm up, especially for inland areas with that drier air in place. The remnants of that storm system has now pushed a little bit further out over toward the east. We'll be on the back side of that, allowing for that drier air to filter on in. But notice this ridge still in place. Temperatures along the coast are actually going to fall about 2 degrees compared to today, but that actually takes us just 7 degrees above average instead of around 10 like they were today. The deserts are going to raise actually 2 degrees there, taking them closer to their seasonal average, but waiting in the wings is the extreme heat. 10 to 20 degrees above normal, peaking Sunday on into Monday. Heat advisories are possible for parts of our county. Until we get that drier air in place, which will really allow temperatures to warm up, it's going to feel a lot warmer than what the thermometer will read. So this is your feels like forecast. Starting off at 8 a.m., muggy along the coastline, Oceanside feeling like 74 degrees, La Mesa feeling like the mid-70s. By the time we get into the afternoon, still sticky for you in downtown at 82 degrees. But a little bit more comfortable out toward Ramona. 83 degrees for you then. Escondido feeling like 83 degrees, so getting closer to what their thermometer feels like, especially as you head on in through Thursday when that slightly drier air really moves in for you into Ramona at 81. Or rather, we should start about Escondido 78 degrees on into the morning hours, and in the afternoon with that dry air, temperatures will be allowed actually to warm up for you inland areas, whereas the coastline maybe drop about a degree. Along and through the waters, a high risk of rip currents continues. Fair conditions for your surfers with your swell out of the south-southwest. 2 to 3 feet. You probably want to jump on in to try to cool off, considering we are going for day 9 of this heat wave. 84 degrees tomorrow along the coastline, going 83 Thursday. Look Sunday. 87. Inland, 89 degrees. Humid morning, not as muggy on Thursday at 91, but jumping to 97 Saturday and 99 degrees on Sunday. I'll be honest with you, I wanted to put 100, but I thought that would scare a few folks. The mountains, 82 degrees for you tomorrow, going 84 on Thursday. You climb to 89 degrees on Sunday, and with that moisture, you actually have a 10% chance of rain with that heat as well. The desert's looking at 101, lighter winds for you coming your way tomorrow, and then up to around 105 for Sunday. Let's look at your 7-day forecast, guys. Back to you.
Sabrina, you scared me. I am ready for fall.
I like to be the comic relief and allow a few laughter from you guys.
Fall, where are you?